Under current Taiwanese law, what's the kind of data that telecom companies can collect and share or sell with data brokers or other customers?
Technically speaking, the telecom companies, they are capable of collecting the data of customers' personal information because we give our personal information to the companies while we fill in the applications. They are also capable of collecting the customers' data while the customers using their services, such as the internet connections or the locations, so to speak. According to the law, the question is multi-level. First of all, we should ask whether the data falls into the category of the personal data. Because according to the law, the personal data is by definition, you can use the data to identify or indirectly a natural person. So if you cannot use the data to identify a natural person directly or indirectly, the data does not fall into a category of the personal data.
The data that's in question in this case, location, age group, gender, postal code, hypothetically, would there be anything illegal or unusual for this kind of data to be collected and sold for uses like market analysis or things like that?
It is not the data that matters. It is how you collect the data, whether you get the informed consent from the customers and whether the customers know that you're going to use the data for this kind of purposes. I mean, to sell the data to other government bodies or to other marketing companies. I think the big data analytics has become a new drive for the telecom companies to generate income. So it is not uncommon. So I don't know what kind of data the Mr. Wang has got at hand because he didn't really show to the audience. So while you mentioned about the location and also other personal information such as the age or other maybe the gender, I think they are capable of collecting that.
How do Taiwan's data privacy laws compare to those in other countries?
Taiwan may not be as strict as the European Union's Data Protection Act, but Taiwan Data Protection Act follows the core principles set up by the European Union's Data Protection Act, such as the informed consent and also the right to opt out and also the right to ask for the compensation if you find these companies or the government bodies, they don't follow the legal procedures.